Hi guys.
Yo.
Hope you're all okay. Today we have a Do the Unthinkable muscle food haul for you. Sorry, you don't realise how much taller you are than me. So yes, the guys over at Muscle Food reached out to us and asked if we would like to try their new box. So you might remember earlier on in the year we did the
Do the Unthinkable 5-day challenge.
I lost 4 pounds in 5 days.
I lost 6, I think it was.
Boys always lose it better, don't they?
Yeah.
So they've reached out to us. They are starting a new box as of Black Friday. The 3-day box for £25. And basically, it's very similar to the 5-day plan that we did earlier in the year. You get all your
Breakfast, lunch, dinner, mid-morning snack, afternoon snack, and an evening snack.
Is it an evening snack as well?
Yeah, you got 3 snacks.
Oh.
They were the best bit last time. I loved them.
What was your favourite snack last
Jerky.
time? I don't like jerky.
Biltong. No, biltong. Biltong was the best. Jerky, and then the puff things that were like a healthy version of
What's
pork
it?
scratchings.
Oh, no, I didn't like those either. You liked all of that though, didn't you?
Yeah.
My favourite thing last time, I really liked the porridge.
Mountain chips.
Oh, I like the mountain chips too. But they've added a load of extra products to the box. And yeah, you can sign up for 3 days for 25 quid. There's no subscription, so you can cancel it after 3 days if it doesn't work for you. Have to be completely transparent. The lovely people at Muscle Food have sent us this for free. We're not being paid to do it, but they've sent it for free, and we're just going to share with you what we've got. So John's opening the box. Look how giant this box is. It's huge. So this has got enough in here for 2 people for 3 days.
I spy mountain chips.
We might have to do a bit of trading.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, giant box. Look at that. It's full to the brim. Right, we're going to get it all out and show you what we've got. Okay, so everything laid out. Me and John have done a lot of ooh and ahs. Some of this we have tried before. Some of this is brand new to us. So I will start over here like I do with all of our food hauls. So haven't tried these before. These are Boost Balls protein balls, lemon drizzle cake. So these will be for John because I can't eat lemon, but I'm sure he will like them. We have oven baked cheese snack pizza. So it sounds, I don't know what it is. It's like crouton-y things that taste like pizza by the sounds of it. We've got porridge, which I loved this stuff last time. So we've got the cinnamon roll one and the chocolate one. I really love porridge. This is new. We didn't have this last time. This is a fuel oat muffin. Oh, so it's like a cake pot. You pop it in the microwave for 50 seconds. Ooh. I have tried quite a bit of the fuel stuff, but I've never even seen these before. So that's pretty cool. Defo, this is for me. I love salted popcorn, so that is a win. We've got some hazelnut breakfast balls. John's favourite, biltong. Mountain chips, these are really yummy. I like the barbecue ones, so we've got 2 of the banging barbecue, and then the sweet chili flavour. You like those, don't you?
Yeah.
I thought they were a little bit hot, but I'm a wuss. So showed you the biltong, and then we've got some protein bars. So mint dark chocolate one. This is John's favourite bar from last time, the salty peanut. John's very happy with the food selection. Then we've got a chocolate crunch and a wafer chunk. Like, look at the size of that. It's so, without sounding weird, it's a rather girthy bar. We have some barbecue zippers. We had these last time. They're really yummy. These I haven't had before. They are, how would you say that? Favour and navy.
Puffs.
So salt and vinegar flavour. Oh, they're both salt and vinegar flavour. Nice. Then, oh, we've got 3 of those. Got Darwin frantically running around the front room with a soft toy. We have a shaker, which is cool, an Unthinkable shaker. We've got 2 sets of pancakes. What flavour are they? I'm not sure. Blueberry flavour, those pancakes. What's the other ones?
Maple.
A maple. We have a pizza, a high protein pizza. This is the chicken tikka one. And then we have the goat's cheese one. We had these last time. I quite like the goat's cheese one. Can you remember if you like the tikka one?
Yeah, the tikka one was alright.
It was alright. Yeah. I think we may have cheated a little bit and added cheese to these last time though. Then we have tried some of these. The packaging has changed. They used to be thinner, but longer. So it's probably still the same amount of food. It's just a different shaped pot. This seems like a better size, like it's going to stack better. So we've got the ragu beef, which we tried before, really yummy. Bounty chicken, which I think is new. Or did you try this one last time? I can't remember. I know I didn't. So we've got 2 of the ragu beef. That is yum. We've got a barbecue pulled pork, a sausage and bean pot, which I think is new because we didn't have that last time. Satay chicken, which was yummy. Chicken noodle, which we ordered last time and it was out of stock, so we didn't get that one. And then there's another chicken satay. And then evening, like some stuff, obviously this is convenience and you can just chuck it in the microwave, super quick, bish bash bosh. But I think all their meals that you prepare, let's say you can do in less than 15 minutes. But obviously pizza you just chuck in the oven. But if you are a person that likes to cook, you can still cook while doing this. We had this last time. This is dead yummy. This is a sausage sizzle. Oh, sorry, a sausage bake. Really yummy. Like, you've got proper veg in there, potatoes, onion, carrot, courgette, and your sausages are in there. And then we've got a beef curry kit. I don't know how I'm going to do with this because I think it's Thai. Because that looks coconutty, doesn't it? So I've never tried a Thai curry before, but that might be interesting. And you've got a very nice looking bit of beef with that.
It's a nice piece of beef.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then the pork pasta, which John tried this last time, and he really enjoyed that, didn't you? So that is going to be our meals for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday coming up. And that is our little haul from Muscle Food. I'm saying little, there's a bloody lot of it. Loads of food. Fair bit. I say, last time we did this, you never felt hungry, did you?
No, because of the snacks. I'm not used to having snacks in the middle of the day, but if I do, it's normally bad. So you get like a bit of a chocolate bar, a bit of a sugar fix, bang, and then it's an empty snack, isn't it? This is all like protein-based stuff, so it weren't. I think there was one evening meal where I was like, yeah, that's not enough. But we didn't add veg every day, did we?
No, because you can do.
But you can add your own steam bags or whatever bits of veg. So, but these barbell bars are amazing. Really nice.
You really like them, didn't you? So yeah, that is what we're doing for 3 days. I actually feel a bit naughty these as well because they're a bit chocolatey. You really like the peanut one because it tastes like Reese's Pieces. Yep. It does, doesn't it? Yep. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing for 3 days this week. We will put a link below if you want to try it out. So it's 25 quid for one person. But that's like everything. So your breakfast, your morning snack, lunch, afternoon snack, your dinner, and then an evening snack. You space it all out. It's pretty good, really. There were some days where we didn't actually eat our evening snack when we did the 5-day thing because you were quite full. Because some of them are really filling. Made up for the day when I was hungry. But yeah, that is what we're going to be doing for 3 days next week. We just want to say thank you to the lovely people at Muscle Food for sending this to us. Yeah, but if you do want to try it, I'll put a link below. Yeah, I hope you have had a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye, guys. Bye.